How spa is different in ALM. This topic is very interesting topic because the young generation because of this modern life and modern difficult work culture, many of them are becoming very stressed out, and they are getting this sleeplessness, and they're getting severe body pain all over the body, and they are really not having a proper relaxation. So this is like they go to many spas, and the same people are trying to approach our ALM also, and they are asking how is that spa is different from what I'm doing conventionally in a regular spa center where there is not attached to any doctors, and they are giving all this best way of types of spa. They are telling Thai spa, they are having the traditional spa, they are telling Indian spa. So many spas are there, and I can feel all those things, and why I should come to ALM for taking a spa for the same common reasons like sleeplessness or stress or anxiety or body aches or for relaxation. So this is something I want, since this is coming as most of the queries in our through our call center. I thought I will give this speech and make you all understand how ALM is different. Okay, let's now dive into this. Human beings are not the same. Okay, have you ever understood, have you ever thought of this? By merely taking a spa, your things is changing untowardly. For what the purpose you went for a spa, without the consultation of a doctor of your health or understanding the health, your own health, it can really go negatively for you. So this is something we need to understand. How you are asking me? Because what happens when you go for a body spa? They apply some oils to your body, or they apply some powders, and they do some techniques. Am I right? So what is the end point? It's like we need to understand, when we say oil, there are around 10 to 20 types of oils are there. When I say powders, there are 10 to 20 types of powders are there. Maybe more than that also. And without knowing which suits your body, which is recommended for your body for your current time, because we are evolving. You are not the same individual 5 years before, and you are not going to be the same individual 5 years later. You are evolving, you are progressing. 5 years before, you must not have had the commitment and difficulties what you are undergoing today 5 years before. And after 5 years, this can be doubled or tripled. This is what we need to understand. So we, from the doctors, when you, these are all we are trying to do complimentary. We are not collecting any consultation charges. We are collecting only the registration charges and giving this as a complimentary service. When you step into our cell for a spa, we are making you see an Ayurvedic doctor, and our Ayurvedic doctor seeing your pulse, taking your clinical information, understanding your body constitution, finding your body dosha. What is that imbalance in your body? What is dominating as dosha or imbalance in your body in the form of vadam, pittam, and kabam? That is there which is giving you this trouble. Some people are having constipation, some people are having indigestion, some people are not having appetite, some people are having yield to all negative habits. So body is not the same for everyone. Some people are not eating but they are gaining weight. Some people they are eating but they are not putting weight. This body is something not applicable for everyone as a universal formula. And if you go to a spa, they will apply this oil, they will see how they are feeling. Still you feel relaxed. Oh my god, I got a sound sleep after taking a spa, but still I have to follow you. You are thinking this is the benefit of taking the spa, and that is limited knowledge. By just merely having a proper sleep for 1 day or 2 days after taking that spa is giving that benefit, you would think that is the benefit of spa is wrong. You may be having some underlying disabilities, health challenges, and that is also going to benefit of the spa. That is where we need to understand. So, taking a spa is not only for the external influence or external factors which is affecting your day-to-day routine should be confined to. The Ayurvedic doctor will give the best guidance. Take that same spa, but under the medical supervision, under the guidance of your doctor, and understand how periodically you can do the spa, maybe weekly once or once in fortnight or once a month or bi-monthly once or once a quarter. What is that the spa is going to give for me? Beyond what you thought as a benefit in terms of relaxation or stress reduction. Go beyond that. Understand from your Ayurvedic doctor, what can I do by benefiting by doing this spa? Even in that spa, you can club 1 or 2 procedures. They give Apiyangam, the so-called oil body massage with Shirodhara. They are giving steam. They are removing the water, excess water from your body. You can take 2, 3, 4 procedures in the given period of 1 to 2 hours, and you get all the benefits. You get this value-added support. You can understand what is that needed for your body to improve your health and promote the wellness. This is something you can accept it. So, I want to say one thing beyond this. Why ALMs should be chosen as a center for this body massage, stress relaxation, as a spa for everything? Because we have a very unique equipment in all our ALM branches. It's called an body weight analyzer. It's a body composition analyzer. It's a worldwide famous equipment. It's installed. It's only in entire Tamil Nadu. It is available in ALM. None of the centers have thought of this. We have invested in ALM. And this body composition analyzer will see 5 parts in your body. They see the water content, they see the protein content, they see the weight, they see the fat, and they see overall. And they see in 5 different regions of the body. They see the upper limb, they see the chest and the abdomen, they see the lower limbs. So they see these 5 different elements in 5 regions of the body, and it is an US FDA approved equipment, and it is an imported from Korea, and it has 98.4% precision and accuracy. And this so-called this body composition analyzer can be worth of 1000 to 2000 rupees, and we are doing it as complimentary in ALM. So it's a multifold benefits by undergoing spa in ALM. You get an Ayurvedic doctor consultation complimentary. You are going to get this in-body analysis. Analyze your body in bits and pieces, thoroughly, in depth, and upgrade your body from health to wellness. Thirdly, get the benefits in spa beyond what is given in a conventional center without the doctor's supervision. So by this, everybody will come forward, and you can ask our doctors. We are giving so many benefits to our clients who are taking on a regular basis. When they are taking for an extended package, when they are taking for a long-term packages, we are giving that benefits because at ALM, we want to promote this therapies, body massages and spas. They are all a part of this thing. It's a broadest way, if you say, it's called Panchakarma. And from that, every small things have been originated in Ayurveda. And so it is something beneficial to the clients, and they will really take this benefit to the next level. Promote this, spread this update, and they will benefit as a family as a whole. And when they avail this, they will see the change, they will take it in the positive manner, and they will spread this message. So always understand, don't take spa for some smaller benefits. Come to ALM, explore the ultimate benefits and feel it.
குழந்தையின்மை, சர்க்கரை நோய், இரத்த அழுத்தம், உடல் பருமன், தோல் மூட்டு வியாதி, புற்றுநோய், இப்படி எந்த நோயா இருந்தாலும் சர்வதேச ஆராய்ச்சியில் அங்கீகரிக்கப்பட்ட ஃபங்க்ஷனல் மெடிசின் வழியில் எளிமையா சிகிச்சை வழங்கி குணப்படுத்தவும் முடியும், நோய் வராம தடுக்கவும் முடியும்.
ஆரோக்கியம் நல்வாழ்வுக்கு ALM ஆயுஷுக்கு வாருங்கள்.
நோயற்ற வாழ்வே குறைவற்ற செல்வம். அதுக்கு ALM ஆயுஷ் வாருங்கள்.